Daniel is in court to claim £1,970 for the cost of modifying a vehicle on the request of a buyer who subsequently backed out of the deal, as well as for the depreciation value. Defendant Edward denies requesting the modifications and says, as no sale was actually agreed upon, he owes nothing.
Now, do I have Edward here?
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. And is it Daniel?
It is.
Now, Daniel, as I understand it, you have a bit of an interest in cars, correct?
Correct, yes.
But not just any ordinary car.
No.
What sort of cars are you interested in, sir?
All sorts, including recently a hearse.
A what?
A hearse.
A hearse?
Yes.
Well, is that because you were... Where exactly in the country is this? What sort of part of the country?
Down in North Devon.
Right. Is it
Up in North Devon, that actually is, Judge.
Down.
Do be
It's
quiet.
at the top.
Now, there's the family in the hearse, correct?
Correct, yes.
Is that your daughter?
It is.
And how old is she?
She's 18 months.
Very lovely. And the point was that you decorated this hearse and it became a bit like a rather lovely family curiosity. But the two of you are interested in eccentric and classic cars. I'm right about that, Edward?
Yes, yes.
And I'm right about that, Daniel?
Yes.
You bought the hearse, which was registered in 1984, I think.
Yes.
In, was it May 2018?
Yes.
You did it up, you spent money on it.
I did, yes.
Making it look very grand. It's got very...
That's not quite my definition of done up, Your Honour, but...
Well, I'm not asking you, see, because... Did you have an interest in the Addams Family?
Vague memories of the black and white show being aired second time round.
There's the work being carried out. But you also had a bed in the back.
That's right, yeah. Stripped out the... what would hold the coffin in and, yeah, put a double bed in there.
Anything else? Disco speakers?
No, some nice curtains and some nice interior cloth. Yeah, just kind of made it homely, like you would.
Like you would, yes. And it had a name. What was the name of the hearse when you acquired it?
Yeah, the name of the hearse is Gladys.
How do you know? Did it tell you it was called Gladys?
No, luckily the previous owner...
Luckily?
Said to me, just as I bought it, and he disappeared, he said, she's called Gladys, and you'll find out why when you look in the glove box.
Just pause for a second, bearing in mind this is 2 o'clock.
Right.
Please tell me Gladys wasn't in the glove box.
No, no.
What was in the glove box?
An order of service for a
I see. For
young
something
lady
called
called
Gladys. Now, you spent about £2,000 doing it up. At some point, you took it, I think it was the 10th of June 2018, you took it to a car show in North Devon. What sort of cars? Eccentric cars, classic cars?
Yeah.
Now, this is the thing. That was the moment you two were interested in hearses.
Yeah, I wasn't quite expecting to see a hearse.
But you did, nevertheless.
But I did, nevertheless.
And having inspected it, what did you discover?
Well, it set off some ideas in my head.
Let's just pause whilst I braced myself for the ideas.
Well, I thought it had been made quite a terrible mess, if I'm honest. It had sort of leopard skin bits on it and...
Wasn't your taste?
Wasn't my taste, I think that's fair to say. But North Devon so happens to be the place that Damien Hirst lives, the infamous or famous artist. And... I had an idea of calling it Damien Hirst. I think it would have gone down very well at Glastonbury, you know, it would have been, yeah, very popular there.
You looked at the car first, and you had an idea, but you wanted a second-hand car. What you were planning to do with it is a matter entirely for you.
Yes.
The question, as far as you were concerned, was did it work, and were there any adaptations that you might want to make to it in due course?
Yeah, I needed to test it, quite clearly. You know, I had concerns, yeah.
As you would with a car of that age.
Yeah, it could have been a death trap.
It could have been all sorts of things.
It did need...
I did get the joke, I just passed it over. Do you see?
It did need a little
We're not
tune-up,
laughing at you, we're laughing near you, sir. What's that?
It just needed a little tune-up, but it was only coffin.
No. I feel like I've died woken up in a sort of inexpensive Christmas cracker. No. don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.